Kirk Hammett loves the minor scale, and one of his favorite ways of using it is by forming licks with descending sequences. This creates a dramatic effect, and a lot of the times he's going to combine those descending lines with slides. Think of solos in songs like Fade to Black and Creeping Death, for example. This is exactly the type of lick we're going for here, only we're not going to be using triplets for the groupings. We're going to be going for 8 notes, but still with groups of 3 as far as the notes are concerned. So let me start with the 15th fret now, and let's check the lick out. So I'm going to go down, up, slide here. I'm descending the minor scale, 2 pick notes, 1 slide. I'm going to do the same thing starting now from the 13th fret. Same from the 12th. Same from the 10th. Notice that we just did the same sort of sequence 4 times, right? Every 3 notes, we're just changing the way we're going down. Actually, we're changing the starting point because the way to play that is the same. It's down, up, slide all the time. And the slides happen with the first finger. So again. And I'm going to exit that on this 9th fret of the G here. That's the root note, the E note. Let's put this whole thing together with a slow click. Excellent. So when playing this lick, your index finger is the key finger to get you through, to lead you through the phrase, actually. And that's because the index is the one that's doing the slides on the B string, right? Now, when playing slides, fingering is really important. So any variation of the fingers might just throw you off, and it might affect the articulation. So follow the suggested fingering so that you always have your first finger landing on the right fret to get through the phrase, and just make sure you vibrato the last note. Good luck practicing this. It's your turn to work with it, and I'll see you in the next video.